Armour Strauss. I am a retired physician. During the past 10 years, I have been a client of No Sweat Computer Consultants. During that time, Carlos has sold me computers and maintained them excellently. I have had the pleasure of referring him to friends of mine, and they likewise are very happy with his services. He has not only maintained the computers, but is available at a moment's notice when they are in need of adjustment or repair. I can only say that my experience in the last 10 years with computer consultants has been excellent.